Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on week 37 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. Today I need a drawing or a photo of a clock tower. This is a drawing, a handwritten list or note, and I'm going to use this Doctor's Ledger as my handwritten list. I need a bridge, and I have this little tiny bridge here as a sticker. I need something red, and I have a little tiny strawberry sticker. You see that? And I need something, or a clipping of an ornate border or frame. So I'm actually going to put this on top of this, and this is going to kind of be in the frame. And then I'm going to put this on the background because the frame is not going to cover the whole page, and I don't want to see those lines. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is, oops. Oh, goodness. Is that glued together? Yep. I'm going to measure what size piece I need. I'm just going to cover the whole background. I have had this paper for ages. I used to do more grungy work than I do now. So I have a little bit of grungy stuff left, and I want to use it up. But, you know, I might get back into grungy stuff someday. But lately, the last few years, I've needed bright and cheerful things to do. So that's what I've been concentrating on. Bright and cheerful. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and safe and cheerful today, too. I don't know that I'm always very cheerful, though. Sometimes it's hard to be cheerful with so many things going on, personally and in the world, you know what I mean? Alright, so let's put some glue down on here and get the background. I have glued all these in, and now there's like a big chunk here that's not flat anymore. I might have to rethink my process here and start putting the glue on the actual backgrounds. Alright, let's see if I can line this up good. Looks pretty good. Alright, get my little roller out, my Dollar Tree roller. Does anyone know what these are really for? They're for your face, but I don't know what they do for your face, you know? You know what I mean? Alright, so I think I'm just going to kind of glue the bottom of this. Like, does it matter which way is the top? This is the top. Alright, so this is the bottom because there's a little skull thing there, and we don't want that to be upside down. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here. This is a sticker of, the frame is a sticker, but it's not that sticky. Oops, I don't want that much of it. Well, maybe it has to go on the outside. Guess it's going to have to go on the outside because I don't want to cover it up. It has to go down too low. Yeah. What I do think I need to do is add a little extra glue to my frame and to my clock tower. And I don't know how it would look better, though. Maybe just under, I guess. I guess under. Just put it down as low or as high as I possibly can. Make sure all those little pieces have glue on them. And let's put this right down. Oh, shoot. Forgot. I have to put it on this. I'm not sure the best place. Like right here, maybe. Now, of course, I'm going to have to cut around it, which might not be easy. And I don't think I'm going to do that on camera, because that's going to take forever. Alright, so I got that all cut out. I think I'm going to ink around the edges. And I noticed my clock tower looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa there. Oh well. Not much I can do about that now. I think I just used the Leaning Tower of Pisa in something recently. There. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Let's get this all inked up and glued down, and then I'll figure out where my bridge is going and my little red strawberry, which I think I am going to cut out the border off of. There. Kind of get all this border a little darker, I think would look better. That's the trouble with these stickers, you know, they have the borders. So that's going to go there. And where could this go? I don't know. I wonder if I could leave the bridge out and use the washi tape instead. It looks weird. Maybe if I ink it up, I could use it as like a decoration on the frame. That might work. Except, how am I going to ink it up without making a big mess? Alright, let's see how that works. I guess that's good. I'm going to do that. And that should go right there. That's going on there. I think I better wipe my mat off here. Okay. Okay, so that's like an ornamentation on the frame now. And my strawberry. Let's see if I can cut this off. I hope you're all doing good, enjoying your fall. We had our fall festival, and the agency that handles all of my daughter's things for, you know, it's an agency for disabled people. They had a table that one of their day hab programs is art. And the people that are in that program, they just make art all day, I guess. And so they were selling their things. So we bought a few of those things, or well, a couple of the things from them. And I think I took a picture of it for my journal, so I could probably put it in here. So I'll do that so you can see what we bought from the, it's called ARC. I mean, it's nationwide. ARC services. What if I put the strawberry over this goat head like that, and that becomes part of the frame? And then I don't think I'm going to use washi tape. I'm just gonna put glue on the back of this and get my little collage assignment done. Oh, all right. Oh, actually, right here is one of the things I got from the ARC. Somebody made these cute little felt, like Christmas tree decoration ladybugs. So I thought they were really cute. And then the other one was a painting, which I think I'll just go ahead and show you too. All right, let's roll this down, and that's my assignment, and I'll go back and get the painting that I bought and be right back. So this is the little sunset painting that I bought. Isn't it cute? I love the colors. Really pretty colors. So those are the two things I bought from ARC. And this is my collage. I'm wondering if I can find a little tiny word to put under the bridge. So let's see. I want it to kind of match the color, but I don't know if I'll be able to. There's not that many small ones here. Be brave is green though. Be brave, stay strong. I think be brave is the only one that's going to fit. So I think what I'll do, I'm going to have to cut the edges off, the ends off. And what if I inked it to make it more brown than greenish? Although it does kind of match with the colors of the frame, but let's just make it a little browner without ruining it, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to put that right here. And now we're done. We've got our clock tower. You can see the little tiny clock. A handwritten list is underneath inside the frame. The bridge, something red, a border. It's not a clipping of a border, but it's a border. And look at all the faces. There's like faces there. Gross. We have a church with all these gargoyles on it in our city. It's kind of creepy, actually. But anyway, that's it for my number 37, week number 37. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.